Industries are upgrading rapidly and require continuous improvement in lubricating greases and oils with time. The growth in business and the changes in technology lead to various disruptions. Choosing MOSIL as your lubrication partner will ensure that you have complete peace of mind as far as lubrication is concerned. We at MOSIL understand the changing needs of the industry and offer the right solution for every application. We stop your disruptions right here, right now. Once a disruption is resolved, we ensure it stays resolved. Consistency in quality and delivery has kept us a preferred brand for most of our customers for over 45 years. Our state-of-the-art R&D and performance testing center in Mumbai keeps itself busy working with technology experts globally to develop lubricants for next-generation equipment. MOSIL believes that it is not about lubricants anymore. It is about bringing competitive advantages to the customer. Reach us for discussing your lubrication requirements at enquiry@mosil.com.